Introducing Wallet Factory's Engage and Pay closed-loop wallet, the ultimate business solution designed to maximize cost savings, drive revenue growth, and elevate customer experience. When customers top up their wallets with larger amounts instead of making frequent small transactions, your business saves on interchange fees, which helps protect your profit margin. Prepaid wallet balances act as interest-free working capital. And you can also earn revenue from unused balances or breakage. Every purchase rewards your customers with points and great offers, and that's just the beginning of what our solution can do. Attract new customers with welcome bonuses or referrals. And win back old customers with tailored offers. Increase average ticket values and encourage repeat sales with targeted campaigns. When it comes to sales, whether it's upselling more of a particular product, cross-selling different products, or launching new arrivals, our solution can help your products fly off the shelves. Maybe you're worried about inventory clearance or spoilage. All you have to do is launch exciting incentives on perishable items, reducing spoilage or expiration costs. Or use well-timed loyalty promotions to encourage foot traffic during off-peak hours or in specific locations, ensuring you optimize resources and save on staffing costs. With Wallet Factory's Engage and Pay closed-loop wallet, you win big. Create personalized experiences tailored to each customer's preferences, anticipating their needs before they even realize them, while boosting revenues and cutting costs. Whether you're a small boutique or a large chain, our closed-loop wallet is designed to meet your needs. From coffee shops and grocery stores to different kinds of services like laundry or parking, use Engage and Pay wallets to transform the way you do business. Contact us today to schedule a demo. Wallet Factory, connecting businesses and customers with seamless payments, enhanced loyalty.